Okay, take this one. We have a lot less to go on. This might also be interesting to look at. They have provided what looks like on the surface a detailed job description, but it doesn't actually tell me anything about their company. So they're looking for someone to write a product landing page, but I don't know what the product is. I don't know what industry it's in. They also want someone who knows their way around SEO, and they want me to start the proposal with collaborative copywriter. So let's just copy that. And then they have an additional question here, which is also an interesting difference. Describe your recent experience with similar projects. Now, of course, we can go down here and find out that it's Eli we need to talk to. So that's a good start. I couldn't find the company name in the reviews, so this is all we have to go on. Okay, so let's go in here and then say general profile, and then we go down here, rate increase never. We talked about that. Now, of course, I have a landing page proposal template. The job description is quite vague, so there's not a lot to go on, and that's why we want to rely on our template here to do a lot of the heavy lifting for us. Okay, let's see if we can make this template fly. Hi Eli, most sales pages flop due to a lack of market research and poor offer creation. We don't want that for yours, so here's how I would approach it. Research the target audience, address the main pain points, explain the consequences, paint a picture. Okay, so this kind of just goes through step by step how would I approach writing a landing page or a sales page. Then you can see an example of my approach in action on this sales page. So here I'm linking to one of my pieces on Upwork in my proposal. This is a portfolio piece and it goes directly to the piece. You can just copy the link up in this corner if you want to link to one of your portfolio pieces, and here the client can see, okay, I got a great review, and if he wants to look at the actual landing page, he can do that as well. So 1, I explain my approach. 2, I provide an example, and 3, I provide some social proof. Here's what the client had to say about it, and then I've just gone in here and copy and pasted this review I got from a client in the proposal. And then, do you have any specific landing pages in mind that need work? Because they mentioned product landing page, so that last question might not be that relevant. What specific product do you need a landing page for? Could be a good question, right? And then instead of sales pages, we want to change this to most product landing pages flop due to a lack of market research and poor offer creation. Doesn't sound that great because that might allude to the fact that they haven't created a good offer or something like that. I have a template for a sales email that I think will work here as well. So I'm going to go back into this proposal here and then copy that, and then we just swap out a few words. Okay, so what I've done here is I've created a Frankenstein proposal where I say, hi Eli, most product landing pages sell the product instead of the benefit. For example, a skincare product. Good product landing pages sell the benefit of the product. For example, a skincare product that fixes bad skin. And third, great product landing pages sell the benefit of the product. For example, a skincare product that fixes bad skin and makes you attractive. So here in the first part of my proposal, I'm demonstrating that I've paid attention to their collaborative copywriter requirement, and then I've also shown how most product landing pages fail to do what they need to do because they are just writing features instead of benefits, and then also shown what good and great product landing pages do. So that automatically makes them think that I know how to make good and great product landing pages because I know what makes them good and great. So here's how I would approach it. After I provided these 3 examples, I can then go into my approach, and then I can show an example of how I use that approach and end with some social proof, and then end with a question to prompt a response from them. Finally, they ask, describe your recent experience with similar projects. Well, we've already included that in the main proposal, so we can actually just take that and put it in here, right? So now we've actually ticked all the boxes, and this is a pretty good proposal that includes all the requirements. Let's send this bad boy off to Eli as well, and then hopefully he'll get back to us.